The new Armoured Transport is not a cart. It's a Knaack from the ground up. Custom-designed industrial-grade wheels are bigger, thicker, and stronger than traditional utility carts, allowing the Knaack Armoured Transport to roll through job sites and over common obstacles that hang up other utility carts. The overall design and big wheels raise it to a more comfortable height, saving your back and taking less force to push more weight. A 50% higher load rating allows you to load it up with weights that would crush a traditional cart. And because it's a Knaack, it's constructed for security, with no exposed screws, bolts, or hardware. Locking points are recessed and protected. 16-gauge custom-formed panels are engineered for rigidity, fully integrated with no gaps or pry points. Highly mobile, durable, secure, and it assembles in under 10 minutes, making it ready to tackle job sites in 1/3 of the time it takes to put together traditional utility carts. Maximize your job site mobility with the Knaack Armoured Transport and roll through the job site with efficiency.